please see this question, sir. Exactly similar like my previous two questions. If the cost price increases by 10%, shopkeeper increases the selling price by 360 rupees. However, profit percentage decreases from 15% to 10%. Find the original cost price. Let us read it one more time. Original cost price they are asking. Now see here. If the cost price increases by 10%, first of all, I will assume the original cost price as 100 because the question is given in terms of percentage. Now, if the cost price increases by 10%, that means initially it was 100. Next thing, the cost price is increased by 10%. 10% of 100 is 10 rupees extra. It became 110. Shopkeeper increases the selling price by 360 rupees. That means this is something like selling price is 360 rupees more. This statement I will ignore it for time being. For time being, this statement I will neglect or ignore it. However, profit percentage decreases from 15% to 10%. What is the meaning of it? That means when the initial cost price is 100, profit percentage was actually 15%. 15% of 100 is 15 rupees. So it was sold at 100 plus 15, 115. But because the cost price is increasing by 10%, because the cost price became 110 rupees, the profit percentage which was 15% earlier, it decreased to 10%. That means in the second case, profit percentage is only 10%. What is 10% of 110? It is 11 rupees. 110 plus 11 is 121. That means whatever I have written till now, everything is according to my assumption. According to my assumption, initial selling price was 115. Later the selling price became 121. That means the shopkeeper increased the selling price by how many rupees? 115 is becoming 121. How many rupees selling price was increased by? Shopkeeper increases the selling price. Selling price increases by how many rupees? 6 rupees. But question says shopkeeper increases the selling price by how much? 360 rupees. 6 is becoming 360. Multiply by 60. Original cost price according to my assumption is 100. That also multiply by 60. Answer for this beautiful question in a beautiful methodology is 6,000 rupees. Where is the difference between this question and the previous two questions I told you? I told you that ignore the statement for time being, use the statement in the last statement. The same thing I am doing in the previous two question. In the previous question, I ignored it, sold it for 5 rupees more. I took according to my assumption. 110 is becoming 112.5. According to my assumption, sold it for 2.5 more. 5 rupees more according to question convert. Similarly, I took this question where sold it for 75 rupees more, ignore it. According to my assumption, 91 is becoming 116. It is 25 rupees more. According to question, convert it in the last step. 75 rupees more. Every question, every problem, every topic, what ANC teaches, you will be amazed. You will be amazed to look at all these varieties of questions, sir. And I am telling you with heart, if you ignore this package, you are ignoring something. You know why I am saying this statement right now, sir? Just now, when I was in the middle of solving the third question, I got an email. But having said that, this offer is now restricted only for 10 remaining students. Another 10 students, this offer is restricted. Just now when I got an email, I read it when I completed the problem. I read it. The prices what these 15 people have grabbed it, these 10 people will be getting with an increased price. And I told this statement already for you people. For example, bank is 4,300 was given for 15 students. For example, now the bank price is more than 4,300. But one good part about it is all the prices which was given to these 15 students, the prices for these 10 students are increased very, very minimal. They are increased very minimal. And if you still cannot grab it, I cannot do anything. I have already given my number. I told you that you can pay via TED. First of all, you can WhatsApp me to know what is the updated price now for the 10 students. And you can pay via TED, you can pay via Paytm, you can pay via Phone Pay, or you can pay via Beam. If you want internet banking details, I can send it to you. If you still cannot grab, please grab it in the next few days at 8,000 for bank or SSC. Please pay 15,000 and grab it for CAT. Sir, shall I tell you, when I am giving CAT product in the range of 5,000 or 6,000, and when you are not grabbing it, if you think that, sir, I will pay only 15,000 later, pay it. Who is under profit? We are discussing profit, loss and discount topic right now. I am the person who is under profit. I refer to ANC here. You are the person who will be under loss. And who is the person who gave you the discount? ANC is the person who gave you the discount. The same profit, loss and discount is what I am telling you right now. If you still cannot grab it, I am sorry, sir. I am sorry, because I am telling you again and again and again. And if you still cannot grab it, and the validity is for 1 year, sir. I don't know whether I said this statement in my previous classes or not. Let me make this statement just for 1 minute. Who is the person who is taking aptitude? The person who is taking all the aptitude classes is Mr. Anil Nair. He is the aptitude guru. He is the CEO of a company called as Anil Nair classes. And the other person who is taking aptitude classes is the person whom you are listening to right now. My name is Ajay. I am the director of this company, second person in this organization. Reasoning classes, I am not joking it. Reasoning classes are taken by a person called as Krishna sir. He is a gold medalist. He is a gold medalist in MBA in Oxford University. 20 plus years of experience he is having. For 1 hour of reasoning classes, what Krishna sir teaches in our institute for our students, we pay him 4,500. We are not joking, because he is an experienced person and he is a gold medalist. So definitely he will charge that much. And verbal classes are taken by a person called as Mr. Deepak, who is a Stanford University alumni. And Deepak also will charge on an average 4,000 to 4,500 per hour. For 1 hour we are paying him this much. The same price we are giving you people for bank or SSC or some other product. For 1 year we are giving same price for 4,500. Still you do not want to grab it. Completely up to you. I cannot do anything, sir. I am sorry. I am signing off right now, because I am having another appointment. I need to take care of so many other students interested first 10. And I am saying you once again, whatever I teach in YouTube class, it is probably 10 to 15%. You have the entire content in our online class. Interested first 10 students only can immediately message me and grab this offer, sir. Having said that, I will take a few more questions on profit, loss and discount in my next classes. Do not worry about it. As of now, I am signing off because I got an SMS from my very good friend who has come from US. I need to go and meet him. Tonight I will meet him. Tomorrow morning also I might meet him, because I know that he is coming here very, very rarely to India. So I want to go and meet him, sir. Chalo, I am signing off. Thank you everyone for attending this beautiful session. Have a very happy day. 10 students only. I will stop it at this time. I will not increase like the way I did it for previously for 15 students. Thank you, sir. I am signing off. Please see this question, sir. If 5 articles for 1 rupee are sold then a shopkeeper will have 16% loss. That means price is given as 1 rupee. It is sold for 1 rupee. How many articles are sold for 1 rupee? 5 articles are sold for 1 rupee. If 5 articles are sold for 1 rupee, shopkeeper will have 16% loss. That means I have 100 rupees in my pocket, or in other words, I have 100% of amount in my pocket, but I had 16% loss. So remaining that is there in my pocket is 84%. 16% if I remove from my 100%, remaining is 84%. Remaining is 84%. Now read the next statement. Find the profit percentage. If 4 articles are sold for 1 rupee, that means for the same 1 rupee price, I am selling 4 articles. What should be my profit percentage is the question. Now, everyone please listen to this very, very carefully, sir. Here there are 5 articles, but in the second case there are 4 articles. First case there are 5 articles, second case there are 4 articles. I don't want the number of articles to be different. Make the number of articles to be same. Make the number of articles to be same. That means 5 and 4 should become the same number. I taught you in multiple topics also saying that whenever you want to make 2 numbers as the same numbers, the best method is to take the LCM. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. 5 should become 20. Multiply by which number? Multiply by 4. 1 also multiply by 4. 1 into 4 is 4 rupees. Similarly, 4 should become 20. Multiply by which number? Multiply by 5. 1 also multiply by 5. 1 into 5 is 5. That means in the previous case I was telling that 5 articles were sold for 1 rupee. Now I am saying that 20 articles are sold for 4 rupees. Both are absolutely same. In the previous case, I was saying that 4 articles were sold for 1 rupee. Now I am saying that 20 articles are sold for 5 rupees. Both are absolutely same once again. That means, can I say that for this 4 rupees price, this 4 rupees price is making me to have 84% in my pocket. 4 is becoming 84. Multiply by 21. 4 into 21 is only 84. 5 also multiply by 21. 5 into 21 is 105%. That means with the second case, after second case, I have totally 105% in my pocket. That means earlier itself I had 100% initially. Now it has become 105%. Extra 5% is what I gained. Find the profit percentage is the question. Profit percentage is another extra 5% is what I gained. Answer for this question is 5% profit. Very, very logical way of problem solving. And I am telling you, sir, compared to my first 3 classes of profit, loss and discount, some of the questions in this particular topic are slightly tricky, like Vijay rightly pointed out. But I am trying my level best, although some people might have not attended first 3 classes of profit, loss and discount. I am trying my level best to make it little easier for you people.